Hello everyone. If you have a printer, a laptop or desktop, and put some creativity, you can already do a simple printing business. Here I share with you some materials or things I used to make a notebooks, notepad, stationery, or the like. They are much cheaper than heavy-duty equipment, but it's still usable. A pre-cut of 5-size paper, sticker paper, photo top, glossy photo paper 160 GSM, or much higher, whichever your printer capable to print, and in a 4-size paper. This paper squeegee helped me in applying the photo top. A cheaper trimmer, but beginners friendly. Can be used as a scoring board too. Or manually cut your paper using scissors and cutter. This corner puncher to trim every edges. Then I have here a 6-hole puncher, easy to use too. Rotating stapler for notebooks. In making notepad, I used paint brush and any kind of glue and a paper clump to help the paper hold together. I have 2 kinds of spring, this plastic one that can open and lock easily, and a spring that needed a binder.